Namaste. I am Riya Jain and I welcome you to yet another episode of Mahotsav series. आज जो मैं आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करने जा रही हूँ वो मेरी तरह हर एक फैशन और बॉलीवुड लविंग लड़की के लिए परफेक्ट कलेक्शन है. टू बिगिन विथ, क्या आप जानते हैं महोत्सव इज वेल नोन फॉर इट्स यूएसपी 1 मिनट साड़ीज. 1 मिनट साड़ीज इसलिए बिकॉज इट्स सो ईजी टू ड्रेप कि आप 1 मिनट में बहुत ही क्विकली रेडी हो सकती हैं. कमिंग टू आवर कलेक्शन, ट्रेडिशनल साड़ीज़ को एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन और नए अंदाज में ट्विस्ट करके बनाया गया ये कलेक्शन जिसका नाम है इजारा, विच मीन्स अ स्टार, इज ग्लैमरस, मॉडर्न, ट्रेंडी एंड एवरीथिंग स्टाइलिश, जो आप आपकी नेक्स्ट कॉकटेल पार्टी या दिवाली कार्ड पार्टी में पहन सकते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा स्टेटमेंट बना सकते हैं. सो लेट्स नॉट डिले एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द शो.
Sequins has been the trend of the hour this year, and there is nothing that should be missed in this fabulous trend. This hot-selling maroon sequins 1 minute sari with pre-pleated lycra skirt that's adjustable for various waist sizes, fully sequined pre-pleated pallu जिसकी shine और style दोनों ही बेहतरीन है, a matching appliqued flower brooch on the pre-pleated shoulder, and a puff-sleeved designer dual-tone silk blouse. This combination is an absolute winner. Royal blue is said to be royal for all the right reasons. This magnificent royal blue sequins Bollywood-style sari with sequins and crush details on the lycra skirt, a fully loaded sequins pre-pleated pallu paired with a gorgeous designer blouse जिसकी hand embroidery with multiple style sequins, resham and kardana work is absolutely outstanding. The top favorite color of every woman, this lustrous pink sari with a fancy skirt design, a combination of sequins and frill details with pre-pleated partleys, a shimmying rose pink sequins ready to wear pallu that has a beautiful rose brooch on the shoulder, and paired with an exclusively handcrafted hand embroidered blouse with a Maharani neckline and statement sleeves. This sari is purely unmissable. Peach has become a strong competitor for pink and for all the right reasons. This pretty pastel peach lycra ready-to-wear sari is adorned with a unique style of embroidery, a combination of matte and pastel peach sequins and an embossed lotus motif. Mahotsav has always been a winner when it comes to designer blouses, and this design is a sure proof. For everyone जिन्हें मॉडर्न और ट्रेडिशनल का परफेक्ट मिक्स पसंद है, this sari is what you need. This royal blue lycra sari with traditional motif inspired embroidery on the skirt, a unique net fully embroidered pallu, pre-pleated design and a matching blue blouse is something जो simple, sober और कुछ बेहद ही नया है. The pallu is the show stealer. Notice the huge goldenish blue frills on it. Isn't it stunning? आज की फैशन की बात करें तो पेस्टल्स ने हर ट्रेंड चार्ट को टॉप कर लिया है. ये पेस्टल ग्रीन साड़ी with a very delicate resham thread floral embroidery that has been infused on a very soft shimmery gold fabric runs on the border of the entire sari. This sari is pre-pleated and a perfect pick for cocktail parties. It is paired with the exact matching blouse with a designer neckline and an equally beautiful back. You know what's also trending? Deep jewel use. ये deep magenta lycra net पे बनी साड़ी is a stylish alternative to a traditional wedding design. With unique floral embroidered border on the complete sari, transparent lycra net fabric, pre-pleated details, and a heavily embroidered matching blouse. This 1 minute sari has our hearts. Let me tell you one more thing. Mahotsav has always been very famous for its beautiful, heavily embroidered designer blouses. Next up is our showstopper sari. Kyun? Because 1. The unusual color combination of emerald green and black. 2. The decreasing sized sequence striped skirt with floral end border. 3. The absolutely glamorous pallu. 4. The pre-pleated design. And 5. A Bollywood style sequined blouse. What's not to love in this sari? Simple, delicate and beautiful was our concept when this sari was designed. And isn't it actually so delicately beautiful? Notice the authenticity of our products through the Momanthan label attached on the pallu. This sari has a silver and pink resham thread embroidery on the overall sari with pearl handwork and a matching blouse to go with it. This has been a truly hot selling design and is available across leading stores all over India. Presenting a classic black and silver 1 minute lehenga sari with a black 3D floral border on the skirt, a multi-layered frill pallu with delicate stonework details, a handwork tasseled brooch on the shoulder, and a cord and sequined fully embroidered designer blouse in silver and black. This sari is everything evergreen and stylish. Looking for a stylish alternative to black? Ye midnight blue sari with star-like silvery adornment on the skirt, a very simple border on the pallu, pre-pleated details, and a very designer blouse with a statement-making flutter sleeves. Ye lycra net pe bani sari is our star sari and is absolutely stunning for any of the evening events.
And that was our brand new collection Izara under our brand Momanthan. We call it 1 minute saris, but you can also call it as ready to wear sari, pre-draped sari, cocktail saris, etc. If you are a wholesaler, retailer, reseller or looking to start your own boutique or showroom, please do connect with us on the numbers running below. अगर आप सिंगल पीसेस बाय करना चाहते हैं, you may connect with us on any of the social media platforms and we'll get back to you. आपको एक और बात बताना चाहूँगी, महोत्सव साड़ीज आर अवेलेबल थ्रू आउट इंडिया इन ऑल द लीडिंग शोरूम्स. अगर आप शोरूम में जाके ये पीसेस देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमसे कनेक्ट कीजिए एंड आई लेट यू नो द एड्रेसेस ऑफ दोज शोरूम्स. I'll be back again with yet another beautiful festive wear collection for all the upcoming festivities. Until then, celebrate every moment.